Wow!
How you doing now?
I dey na.
How you
I wan check your side before you dey go.
I dey go outside. Dey enter outside. I dey outside. No worry, funds dey. You no get funds, you no fit join me. Funds dey, no worry. Good afternoon. How you doing? Please, I need donut. I saw donuts. I was going. I just saw donuts. I said, let me buy donut. Oh, normal, I don't buy donuts. Normal, I don't like to eat donuts around the street. But I want to buy. How much is it? 400. But you said it's 400. Are you sure it's 400? Can I pay 200?
Okay, don't know the price of it.
Don't abuse me. I'm just joking. Okay, give me one. Give me one. Can I make transfer?
Yes.
Okay, no worry. I have cash. I have cash. Just give me one donut. Do you have 500 naira change? Because me, I don't know how to give people my change. Alright. I don't like to give people 100 naira. I can give people 1,000, 2,000, 100. Okay. Change my change. You think I will forget my change? I'm not that kind of person. Answer me, oh. Do you have serviette?
There's no service.
You don't have serviette. You are selling donut for 400 and you have serviette. It's okay. Just give me my change. You don't have 100 naira change. Take your donut. There's no change. Yeah, give me.
Come back for you.
I cannot come back for you. How much is puff puff?
100 naira.
Yeah, give me. Give me that big one, no. Put it inside here. Thank you. Keep the change. Good afternoon.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Are you careful?
Now, I need bottle water. How much is it?
300.
Are you set up to it? I'm not that kind of person. I'm just whining you. I can even buy it for 500. Only thing I buy it for 300. Okay, please can you put inside too? What? Thank you. Can I get plate? Yes. Okay, it's okay. I'll give me service. But I feel like I can clean my mouth when I drink water. Thank you, Jerry. See, very caring person. And you only gave me one. Let me have one. Thank you. So I can clean my mouth when I'm done. Thank you. Thank you very much. I'll just be thinking what I'm up to. Okay.
3, 2, 1.